I was originally going to take 10 minutes, but making a game takes time, so I did 40 minutes. I don't want to spoil the game, but the results is rather interesting. So basically, I started with making sprites for the game, more specifically, the sprites for the ground, because I wanted to test a different way of making maps. When I was done with those, I started working on the script. I'm going to explain what I'm doing here, so if you don't care, just ignore it. Basically, I am making a function that, when called, places a block where I tell to place a block. Then I started working on the player. So first I made a sprite and a walking sprite, but my time was up. Let's see what we got so far. Let's see what we got so far. So the problem was that the timer went off before I could type the code to draw the sprites, so I needed more than 10 minutes.
Wait, that's illegal!
Shush! So the next thing I did was try to make the player jump when you press up when you're touching the ground. I didn't figure it out though, so I just started working on the level design and came back to it later. I ran out of time again. Let's see what we got so far. So I fixed how collision works and jumping finally started working correctly. Then I added horizontal movement and played the walking animation when you're, walking. I did some cleaning up on the code, and then it was time. Okay, let's see what we got so far. Not bad. There was a bug where moving left didn't play the walking animation, so I fixed that. Then I started working on making a jumping sprite and making it work when you're in the air. After that, I worked on the level again. This is a failure. Sadly, I couldn't get the game to actually run good. The game is running terribly right now. It's doing this function every frame, and it's just straight up lagging the whole website. Well, that was the best I could do. Now, would I recommend that you do this? No, absolutely not. This is dumb. Why would you do that? But it was a great learning experience for me. The game didn't turn out as good as I thought it might have, but whatever. I'll see you later.